Today we are going to make a raw unboxing video of a product I just bought off from Amazon, which also got delivered today. This is a lighting kit from Neewer. This is their 660 beads LED panels. The kit is supposed to come with a lighting stand, bag, a power supply, and of course the LED panels. So yeah, without further ado, let's start our unboxing. Okay, so right here. This side. So this lighting kit obviously will be the one that I'll be using for my future video production for my channel. It's got some good reviews from Amazon. That's why I decided to dive into like investing on a lighting kit for my own channel. Well, anyway, so here's the product itself. It says right here, Neewer bag for studio kits. Of course, it's made in China, like everything else, or like most most of the products are from. Well, I think Neewer is like a product specifically or originally coming from China. Well, anyway, these are like the budget brands that you can purchase. Even though they are budgets, at least they still function as for what you need in your production. Also, here you go. It is a Neewer LED photography light, and the product number is LED NL660, which stands for, of course, the number of beads or the number of beads that are in the whole panel. So it's a bicolor LED, meaning that 50% is like white lights and 50% is yellow lights, just to have a balance of color temperature. So here they are. I believe those are, of course, the LED panels that are in the bag, and the last two here are most likely the stands. Here you go. Light stands. They come in pair. Now let's move this aside. So there you go. Now we are gonna be opening these. So there's a tape here. So this must be like the illustration of how the back side of the light panel is. Here we go. A product number LED NL660 LED 660. So maximum illuminance is supposed to be at 300 3,300 lux in about 1 meter. And since they are bicolor, so you would expect a 3200K to 5600K of lighting temperature, and it says it comes with a maximum power of 40 watts. Of course, made in China. So let's start opening this box. Other side. There you go. So as I was expecting, the LED panel itself is enclosed in a bag, and in an individual bag, that is. So there you go, the box, nothing comes with it. And oh man, it's quite hard really unboxing with only one arm and the other one doing your video footage. There you go. So from the box, nothing on the side pocket there. Customer service, contact info. This is a customer service contact information form only, just in case, and I hope I would not be needing them. And I am only expecting that this will go smooth. So here's the panel. So there's your lighting panel. We start at the back here. Actually, at the back, says there. So you have a yellow, like dials for controlling your temperature, and a dimmer, and also a dimmer, yellow and white dial right there. And then like there's a video's power outlet too. And then the also it's only because I did not purchase the one that comes with the battery, but this light but this LED panel also has the option of putting a NL or NF 550 batteries in here so that you can use it outdoors without the power adapter. So I believe this is the power adapter that comes with it, and it is a 12 to 15 volts power adapter, and here it goes there. And of course this is just a power supply. So that's it for the one box. I don't think we still need to open the other one for this video. This one, judging from, this is just a bag that you can use to put those lighting stands. So here, open it, and we can have a quick look inside. There we go. It's like a duffel bag. It's got two zippers from both sides. And of course a Velcro on this one end. And yeah, luckily, which I am pleased to inform you that it is padded, and it's got a cloth liner inside, plus some cushion to protect what's inside, of course. Yeah, and it's quite padded. Good thing to know that your items are gonna be quite protected when you put them in there. There you go. Oh well, by the way, going back to the panel, so I'll show you the front. Actually, this has barn doors as well. There you go. Used for focusing light, and it seems like the plastic diffuser are like installed in it. That's why we cannot see the beads inside. But let's see if I can remove this easily, then I can show you the LED beads inside. That's quite tight, man. There we go. Just press that tab and voila, those are the LED beads. And this is just the plastic diffuser. Neewer also sell some other like a proper diffuser, but this one I will see first if it works just as is, and I'll see from there if I still gonna need to buy the actual the cloth diffusers just to soften the lighting. So this is the attachment mechanism. So now let's go for the stands. Oops. Here it is. Okay. As you can see, that's the bottom of the stand. They have some plastic footings in there. So let's just try to stand this up, and of course locking mechanisms right there, There you go. And this, I assume, is just a protector. Oh yeah, it's a 3/4 screw adapter, I believe, for attaching your stuff. Well, anyway, here you go. There's a screw, and it goes here, and then of course you can lock it now. There we go. And for the power source, right there, I'm sorry if this video is quite lengthy. I have no plans of doing like editing for this for now, because I just want it to be raw. And so LED. Oops. There's your power outlet. There you go. It's in. And it seems to be for a power outlet. If you are, it seems to be that for a power outlet that you are just going to be using this power supply, rather, that you should consider also getting an extension cord, because as you can see, that lighting stand is not really extended. That's like just almost the bare minimum. So here we go. Now we're gonna plug it. And we'll see how it goes. Of course, light. There's your light. Okay, so if you want to run it on battery, that you should be pressing it here, and those are the two battery compartment right there. And if you're gonna use it for while using the power source adapter, so you have to switch it to the right. And there's your light indicator, and now it's on. And that is quite bright right there. And I'm sorry, this is just my storage room. I don't have quite a place to do a proper video right now, but this is it, as raw as it can get. There you go. Here's a comparison. Here you go. And those are just my grow lights that I'm using for as my like production light for tonight. And there, that's the difference. Now how does it look without the, let's see how it looks without the diffuser in there. So let's remove the diffuser for a bit. I don't know how am I gonna slide this out. There. And there you have it. Let's see, this is with the diffuser, and this is without the diffuser. Barely any changes if you're gonna base it from this video, but it is there. It is supposed to act to soften the lighting from the light source. Well, anyway, additionally, we have here a color temperature dial. As you can see, now that's a cooler tone. It's because my yellow is at the bare minimum and white is at the maximum. And so if we slide down the yellow up, so you can see the lighting turns a little warmer, and vice versa. If we're gonna turn down the yellow knob, now you see a warmer light. And this also acts as the volume control but it says here dimmer, of course. So that's where you're gonna control the amount of light that you can use. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for bearing with me. I apologize for quite a long video. I know you will be like putting the you'll be like pressing the fast forward button and what have you, but it is what we have here. So I hope you enjoyed that video somehow. I wish, but this is my raw video of the Neewer LED photography light NL660. This is the kit, and I hope in the future videos that I will be able to make a better, like a well lit video for my upcoming productions. There you have it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have yourself a safe and wonderful day. Be kind. Bye.